Alright guys, in this video I will discuss how to perform delete operation in Firestore in Flutter using GetX. If you remember, in this particular list view I have displayed the value from the Firestore and I told you that there is a trailing icon of delete, and whenever this delete icon will be clicked, at that time the data should be deleted from the Firestore. Now here what I have done, whenever I will hit on this delete icon, at that time this function will be called, and to this function I am passing the doc ID as well. Okay, now this display delete dialog I have created below. Here you can see, which is taking the doc ID. Here I am generating the default dialog having the title as delete employee, and there is a confirm and cancel button, and for this confirm button, whenever the confirm button will be clicked, at that time it will call the delete data method from the controller. Okay, and to this delete data method I am passing the doc ID. Okay, now let me move to the delete data function which I have created here, which is taking the doc ID. Now whenever this delete data method will be called, what it will do, it will display the progress dialog. After that the collection reference dot doc, after that the doc ID which I want to delete. Then to delete I have called the delete method. After that, when complete, this means the operation when it is completed successfully, this dialog will be closed. There is no need to call this particular function. Get.back, this means it will close the bottom set, and after that this snack bar will display that employee has been deleted successfully. Okay, it will be red. Okay, if something goes wrong, obviously this catch error will be called where I have cancelled the dialog and this snack bar will be deleted. Okay, up to this, if I save this, now if I go to the output, now if I delete this, it is asking me for the confirmation whether I want to delete the employee or not. If I click on confirm, then you will see that the item has been deleted from this list view. Let me move to here and you can see that particular item, that is Tom, has been deleted from the Firestore. Okay, this is how we can perform the delete operation in Firestore in Flutter using GetX. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.